This video shows fortifications being built in Hennikivska Hurka, north of Crimea. Crimea's temporary governor Aksyonov confirmed the construction of trenches in the peninsula. It seems that the Russians are preparing for Ukrainian attacks even on Crimea. An orc digs a trench and says the Russian army is second and the Ukrainian army is first in the world. Russian media showed footage of tonight's strike of a Ukrainian naval drone on the Sheskari's oil harbor in Novorossiysk. Ukrainian soldier with javelin in action. Ukrainian drone operator at work. The Russian 122mm howitzer 2A-18D30 was left in position in the Kherson region. Now it will serve Ukraine. Vuhledar, Donetsk region, Russian invaders shell the city with incendiary munition. And for the end, an awesome footage unrelated to Ukraine. Volcanic eruption produces a shockwave that blows clouds away.
Watch out for the shock, it's coming.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.